Let f of x equal 2 times the quantity x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x squared plus 2x minus 3. And nicely, they've given us the function in both expanded and factored form. That makes it very easy to determine most of the aspects that we need to in order to get the graph of a rational. So we want to produce a graph, but it's not going to be the entire graph. We're actually just going to graph the important aspects. First important aspect is the location of the x-intercepts. The x-intercepts occur whenever the numerator is equal to 0. So the numerator is equal to 0 when these factors, x minus 2 and x plus 4, are equal to 0. So if I take x plus 2 and set it to 0, that would give me x equals 2, so it's a coordinate of 2, 0, because that actually puts it on the x-axis. And if you want to see that, just in case, so x minus 2, I'm just setting that to 0 and solving. So if I add 2 to both sides, I get x equals 2. Now, as I said, that's a coordinate, so I need to plot it as a point at 2. Similarly, x plus 4, if I set that to 0 and solve it, I get negative 4 as a 0, and the coordinate for that x-intercept is at negative 4, 0. Now, when you graph these online, you'll just select the tool that is using the plotting points. So just select that and then plot these two individual points. Draw the vertical lines at asymptotes. So vertical asymptotes, those occur whenever the denominator is equal to 0. And the denominator is 0 whenever these factors happen to equal 0. So if I take x plus 1 and set that to 0, I get x equals positive 1 and x equals negative 3. And I'm leaving these as lines because these are vertical lines. So x equals positive 1 would be here, and x equals negative 3 would be over here. Now, for you to graph those, just choose the line tool, and you just need to pick 2 points that exist on the line to draw the graph of it. And they can be any points on these vertical lines, so just pick 2 points, plot them, and then you're all set there. All right, now draw a horizontal line at the horizontal asymptote. So the horizontal asymptote is the ratio of the leading term coefficients whenever the degrees of the numerator and denominator are the same. In this case, it's going to be 2 over 1. This multiplier of 2 effectively is in the numerator, so it's y equals 2. So that's a horizontal line at 2. And that's all that we need to graph here. We don't need to produce the graph for the rest of the rational function. It's just these important aspects that we're looking for right now.